there's some scratches over there. Some scratches over here. डोर जैम क्या होता है? डोर जैम कह रही थी डोर।
ये देख रही हो?
हाँ।
ये नीचे है।
ओह, that's why.
ऐसा।
तो
और उसका जाके देखो। ये देखो, ये देखो।
it's also a little bit. No, no, yes. You got it. एक और
1-2 मिलीमीटर का।
Did you get that वो code?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Which number are you thinking? This one?
No, this is gonna be all the. Was this the only sticker
Yeah.
on there? Okay. So this is gonna be all the tire information. So it's not gonna be on this one. So the next place to check is the glove box and underneath the hood. Yeah. Yeah, there's a brush on the inside cap of it.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
She's doing, yeah.
She's
BW5. See? Color.
It's gonna be $23.70 in total for the touch-up.
$23?
Yeah.
It's only one time use or we can use?
I mean, it comes with a cap. If you keep it sealed and in a cold place, it should last a little.
How long it can?
Up to just depends really where you keep it and how it's sealed. Pretty much, they can last up to about 2 years.
Oh, okay. How can
After about
I
2
keep
years,
it
they start
safe?
to dry out and stuff like that.
Thunder is a
How can I keep it
put in
safe?
a
What is
cold
the
place.
in a cabinet?
Just
Oh,
a cold, dark place.
cold, dark. Put it in freezer.
Yeah, I have a mini fridge in my garage, and so when I make spray cans for myself, or if I have paint or something like that, I just stick it in the mini fridge.
Can I put it in a fridge?
I mean, you can put it in your fridge, but I don't keep any kind of food or anything in that. It's
Oh,
just for my
because it
paint
has
supplies.
smell.
Yeah, the smell,
No.
that kind of thing. Some schooling and stuff like that for
Painting.
It has a spray bottle or I use with the brush.
what she's mixing for you right now is just a little bottle with it's like a nail polish bottle or something.
Okay. I have to be like this
Yeah,
paint.
it has a brush.
Yeah.
In it.
No spray type
No,
bottle.
we don't need
We can make a spray can for you. It's just they're a little bit more expensive. They're about $40 out.
No, we don't need spray. we don't need spray. We will see,
You can give in the $23 the spray bottle.
The spray cans are $39.51. It doesn't matter what color they are. Anything that we put in a can that.
Yeah, 39 is okay, am I? 39,
no,
that
we
13.
don't need. We don't
They
need.
have 39.
No, I want to show you. The thing is, there is some.
But spray is very good. You will do like this. Is okay.
No,
You
we
are-
don't need. We don't need to put everything. We just put
But my car is only just a light scratches. Just.
white.
That should be fine for what you're doing.
Oh,
The
but
little
I
touch
want
of
a
brush.
spray, but he will not.
But if it's not this thing, we can take it. It's not a big deal.
But I think if you will do by the brush, it will be stand with on it, or it's okay.
I mean, you can sometimes it's dependent on the color. Sometimes if it's a
But
metallic
it's
color,
no. Yeah.
if it's metallic, you want to kind of use a spray can just because.
Is it
the
metallic?
I don't know. She was helping you out. I'm just running the card for you.
It's not a metallic. It's a blue.
Blue is also in metallic.
Yeah,
No, it's metallic
they
is
have
different.
blue metallic colors
Yeah.
and things like that.
I
So-
think it's metallic.
Confirm,
Brushes
yes.
is the green button. I'm sorry. You should be okay with using. If it's just a tiny scratch, You should be able just to
On bumper.
brush over it.
Just light white is a bump. But I think spray is better. But it's up to you.
This is the.
One more time, my friend. You took it out just a tad too early.
One more time.
What is it?
One more time. Please wait. Again insert card?
Yes.
Yes, please.
This is remove card and insert.
Asking this is the spray bottle like this.
No, the touch-ups have a little brush in them.
No.
No,
Spray bottle is
if
like
I
that?
will.
Yeah, an aerosol can is. They look like these cans right here on the second shelf.
Oh, okay.
So what do you add in the paint?
There's an air dry binder.
Okay.
So when you, the second the paint hits the atmosphere, it starts to dry and it has a semi-gloss finish to it. I still suggest that you clear coat over top of it just for longevity and protection.
Okay. So which day you got? Bye bye.
लाइक मैं करूँ आपको नहीं आ रहा करना इस लाइक बार बार डबल ना करें यार
हाँ?
एक कोट कर लें बस पहले आप सही नहीं कर रहे आपको नहीं आ रहा करना मैं करूँ
1 मिनट 1-2 मिनट कर खुला हुआ तो मैं छुट्टी है ना मतलब देख लेना तो थोड़ा सा दिल चाहे कर लेना फिर दिल चाहे
इसी पर ही
क्यों
इसी पर ही करती रहूं
छुट्टियां मैं कर
छुट्टी
कोई भी नहीं है ऐसा कोई उंगली नहीं उठाएगा थोड़ा सा हो जाता है
अब क्यों जा रहे मैं कहने अच्छा ये
करवा देते हैं